This is how we keep safe. Well, this is how we keep children safe on Bonfire Night. Bonfire Night is known as Guy Fawkes Night and Firework Night because Guy Fawkes was planning to burn down the House of Parliament. Guy Fawkes would use gunpowder to blow up the buildings. He rented a house next door to the Parliament and started to dig a tunnel. They stored 36 barrels of gunpowder. We should wear gloves when we are holding sparklers because we might burn ourselves. We shouldn't go next to the bonfires or the fireworks. We should stand with a parent or a guardian to keep us safe. To keep safe, stay away from fireworks. Bonfires are very dangerous because they are really hot. Sparklers are another dangerous piece of equipment because they are very hot and you are most likely to burn yourself. That's why you should wear gloves. You should stay far away from fireworks if you are having a firework party. That's how you keep safe.